What? You're watching small films.
I am not responsible for this.
Welcome to the start. Got everybody here. Welcome, guys. We've got the whole gang here mostly.
I got my head run over by Tyler Skinner and scraped my elbow up. And it was about just there where that plastic shit is.
What is she doing? Chris, tell me.
Go make love to your girlfriend.
What? What the hell? That's not YouTube friendly.
Get this, brother doesn't want you to shave his dick.
Yeah, I know, but it's too bad because he already owes me to do it. So whenever I feel like I'm actually allowed to. I told him. Well, he told me I'm allowed to force him to do it, but I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm doing it on the next buzzcut so we can get from.
Jeff, just randomly show up to his house and just say, "We're shaving your beard."
Exactly. Yes, Shannon. Are we?
Yes.
Can you guarantee that, Shannon?
I can guarantee it.
Good. Phillip! Oh my god!
Phil nearly died already, dude.
Chris, let me get on the back.
Oh, this is gonna be great.
Yeah. Oh, hold on so I don't get concussion.
Again.
Rad free.
Lemon!
Lemon.
Lemon! So Charlotte, why are we here today?
To go, I don't know, investigate the tunnel of webs. I'm gonna stop these ducks, look! You should show them.
Are you throwing lemons at us, brother?
I'm listening to country music right now in my ears.
Got that country thing?
Yeah, got that country going. We're gonna find my trolley so I can go sit in it, because yellow.
Yeah, can you explain for those what the trolley is?
We found a trolley with a baby and a baby seat, so we put the baby seat inside the trolley. And it's our new seat trolley. And then we also have a little bike behind the trolley, so it's a 2-passenger bike. But it's good. Where is everybody?
Everyone's behind us. Should we turn around?
Maybe.
Look at these peanuts.
Oh, the lemon's back. The lemon. The iconic lemon.
Yes.
Don't tell him about that
Ah! Chill out, bro. Hold on.
I'm holding on!
Yes, brother. It's alright. It's supposed to be like that.
If you want me to walk, I can walk.
I'm not fast. She's going off on the horn.
Need the iconic Charlotte bike.
Yeah, we're gonna find my bike to school.
Phil, tell the peeps, where are we?
I don't know.
Down under.
Oh my god, can I fit on the hill? I need a squat. We're about to go under some poles. I think I'm gonna duck. Oh, okay, I should be right at ducking. There's these things in the creek.
See, Phoenix, I'm short. I don't even need it up.
Look at these plebs.
Oh, what's
Walking with
up,
their feet.
Small fields, we're at
Should be travelling in style. With a fucking horn.
Jed's like, what the fuck?
Yo! He's contemplating life's decisions and choices. Brother's out of it.
Toto virus, stager, Euro, create, whatever that says. That's
We're gonna go right through the foliage.
Okay, we go forward driving.
Yes. Oh!
We made it! Ah!
We have the Pookie Bear, Ethan. You're right there, Charlie.
Yeah, sing a song.
Wait, Chris, do they have any trolleys over there?
Up there.
Wait.
Charlotte, can you sit?
Oh no, there's the baby seat.
No.
No trolley.
There's a baby seat, there's no trolley.
Alright, well then, let's keep going. Joey, what do you got to say to the cam?
This guy is taking all the credit, but it's alright. Phil, stop killing your food! Fuck's sake! Phil, I told you to keep it in your hand.
Blood stoning Shannon. What are you doing?
I slipped on this slime.
Oh, I'm slipping in the slime.
Guys, we might not make it.
No, no,
Oh, we made it. For everybody who's watching this, I am the crippled person out of the whole group.
Yes.
So I get the lifts.
Now that duck noise you keep hearing intermittently is the bike, and it's okay, because that's how it's supposed to be, definitely. Oh, look at this couple! So cute.
Your mum responded to me, Ethan. She said yes.
What did you find, Phil? Cube. What are you going to do with this cube, Phil? Damn. Shit. He's a wise man. Very few words, though.
Very cute, rectangular.
Rectangular? That's crazy. The beautiful sunsets in the trough of the Slimies. Dr. Phil lost his cube. He's very sad and
Might go
upset.
slime in here.
Oh, our first patch of slime.
Oh, thanks.
Yep. Yeah, I should have thought about that. Just send you straight into a tree.
That's alright.
Got Joey doing the Slimies walk. Oh my god, Phil, what are you doing? What are you doing, blood? Oh, he's gonna play some baseball. He soaked him.
Now, Chris, tell me, you going to the Diddy party this weekend?
Oh, I've just slipped again.
You going to the Diddy party this weekend?
I don't know, what's a Diddy party?
Oh no, it's this really cool party, brother.
Really?
Yeah, there's really famous people that go to this Diddy party. You'll have so much fun there, brother.
Will I?
Yeah, brother.
It sounds like a good
I'm gonna
time.
go, brother.
Well, then I have to come, don't I?
Brother, we're gonna have so much fun.
Try not to lose traction in this. They call it the Slimies for a very good reason, because watch this. Oh, no, I didn't lose traction. Okay. It's slimy.
It's very slimy.
Phoenix, how you going?
Hi. Brother, let's get going.
And a Stanley knife, brother. You're finding everything today, aren't you? Jesus! Brother just stopped in front of me.
Don't worry, I've got your extra eyes to see who's in the way.
Thank you. I do need an extra pair. Doing 15 things at once right now. Shannon!
Brother!
Brother!
What are you doing, brother?
I'm recording you.
No way, brother.
What's up, brother?
Yes, brother.
Wait, quick, speed up. Trust me, I'm gonna catch him on camera.
Oh! Right, have speed. Shannon, zoom in over. There's a chance to see his little ginger doodle. You can hear the trolley come up behind. Oh no!
Very upset.
I can tell.
What happened?
Joey!
Oh my god, I should try sitting at the back of this.
What, you're gonna sit on that? I
Yeah.
don't think you can sit.
What? We can test it. Okay, ready, go.
Oh god. This is gonna end badly, alright.
I found Caleb!
Hey, it's Caleb!
I'm standing.
Alright. What's up, brother?
We need Charlotte's iconic scooter, bike, whatever we call it.
I don't know, the trolley.
I don't know what happened, but I slashed my fucking thumb, bro.
Oh no! Ah! Look at that shit!
Caleb died.
Caleb died!
He died.
He died, he's on the floor.
Hold on, we gotta catch this. Oh,
Oh,
hold on.
that's true. Wait.
Alright.
Ah, poor driver. My bad, hold up.
Hold on!
I'm holding on!
Move, move!
Guys, my seat!
Oh no!
Oh my god, wait, go to the trolley up there, the seat, my seat. This is, guys, this is the iconic.
This is the trolley. All intact as well.
This is how we left it. Okay,
I'm not sure you're right. Someone's been using a smoking. Oh fuck! I made bad decisions. This is it's back. The iconic.
Comfortable, not gonna lie.
The iconic creation.
whoever has me on here,
Watch out!
Wait, Ethan, you can use this strap as like a leash and stop over it because it's downhill. She just keep falling in either way. I don't want to touch any fishy shit.
He's prepared.
Wait, there's another. Is that one fine?
Yeah.
who's going over to the
man.
Oh, that helmet's far.
Oh. That's Riz.
That is W Riz.
The helmet. Who's going in first? I reckon Caleb.
Not again, mate.
Don't fucking turn in the water. You're gonna.
Wait,
die.
someone should kick his stand down. He's got a kickstand.
Caleb rocked up like.
Or should we make Ethan and Charlotte go first? Because they got the trolley, which is a bit more sturdy.
No,
Because then, once they get to the water, they get stuck. No, they won't.
Yeah,
Wait, we won't be able to get past them. They go far.
Yeah.
They're the
what
tunnel blocker.
fuck?
Yeah. Ethan, you should just send her down and just let go. Just let her go. It's pretty much. It's not too far down here. It's just like a light slope.
Why does it not?
Phillip's got the drip.
Did it only take 13 minutes to get down here?
Nah, this is of course.
Sorry?
It's a different video.
I was gonna say.
I can't fucking reach.
Chris, you want to hear a really loud squeak? I think you're traction.
You're gonna get a
Oh, I don't know why.
So is anyone going to ride that trolley down so they don't get wet?
Nah, fuck that. That's pulling in the tongue.
I'd go first.
I think doing the first one you did probably work.
I saw that, Tyson! Why don't you put it on your helmet strap?
There you go. It's like cooked pretty good.
There's one.
Oh, they're already going. Tyson's already gone. Oh! He's pimping his ride. Damn, he slammed it. He done everything to it. Yeah, he did.
Do that.
Charlie's probably going to get
And then you guys go in.
All right, meet you guys in. Yeah. Just make sure to hold on. Just make sure to hold on.
Alright, off you go. Fuck, I'm scared.
So am I. We're gonna find this out together. Got the brakes on. The interpretive brakes. Once we get down here, it should flatten off. By should, it should. All right, we are in. This is much more dry than last time. So, what lies back here? We don't know.
They're not even close.
How far did they go already, brother? What?
Where does this go?
We don't know. That's why we're here. What's going on? What are they doing back there?
Come on!
I don't think they've even come in the tunnel yet. I'm here with Phoenix, the OG.
Yeah, OG, been here since year 8.
Yes, brother. Oh, I see a reflector in the distance. No, now don't. Oh, now do. You keep an eye out for cobwebs. There were a handful down here last time. But I'm sure.
that now.
Yeah, I just remembered now. But I'm sure Tyson cleared them all because he just sped down here like a speed demon. What's up, bastard? Oh, there. These guys are zooming off in the tunnel. too fast as a passenger. Massive shot. The weird dingleberry.
Ew, yuck.
What's going on, brothers?
Did someone fall over?
I hope not.
What do you mean you hope not? I don't know.
Yeah. What if they broke something? Then we're gonna drag them all the way out.
Turn the camera.
Hold up. Stop it. Look at them. They're still coming. I see a couple of flashlights. Oh, I wonder if I'll get scared by 3 dickheads. I definitely can't see your fucking reflector.
Or, I saw the jumpers before.
That is so creepy. It's like a train coming at me. Wait, Sean, the tools on you?
On me.
Yeah, so we can see you in the video. There you go, gang. We're reflecting up a bit. There's a creepy lady above you. Who's that dude? I can't really tell.
Fuck off.
We've already gone past where we were last time.
No, we haven't. I don't think.
It's just repetitive, I didn't even know.
I can't even understand them.
Hey Chris, you're gonna need so many subtitles for this.
Oh yes, bro. I think we should go for
Hello, brother.
Hello.
Oh shit.
Something's happening back there. I don't know what.
Where's Charlotte and Ethan?
Oh, they're off like straight away.
Sorry?
Oh. Alright, let's keep going. I'm sure they'll...
Squeeze them like you mean it. There we go.
So we lost Charlotte and Ethan to the monster of the cave.
I don't know where they went.
They might have fucking slipped and died, who knows?
I think they did actually.
Oh, I can't call the ambulance down here. None of us can.
Look at how they're walking.
I can't
Goes
see.
up real quick.
Damn.
Should we walk?
You're gonna leave the truck. Wait, leave the truck here with my car. If that falls over, I'm not. Huh? I can't hear you. You like the view? Yeah, that's all.
So, walking it by foot.
Oh, I'm gonna lose my fucking ability to walk. Oh, dude! Just so you lose. Chris, you like the view?
Oh yeah.
You're not. Walk backwards.
Access.
Keep going.
Go, Caleb.
Is that a fucking sign, cunt?
Yeah, man.
Is it walk? I'm bold for you. What's in it? I'm shaking.
Phillip, how's the view? Nice, brother. Where's my freedom?
No. Know your limits, mate.
Oh, fuck, Shannon. Man, I get the phone, come down.
Boy, I'm giving you room in case you fall, eh?
Shannon, what are you
My
doing?
foot's cramping, mate. That's not good. I can't do the splits, bro. Why am I doing this? What the fuck? Oh, nah, it's getting bad now, bro. It's getting bad.
Oh, come on, shit, you're right there, mate. Come on, please.
Hurry up! Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Oh, shit, my shoes.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Ah, man, I got shit all of my new shoes, man. Sorry about that. Alright, take my shoes off.
Go over.
Go. Is it recording?
Oh my gosh, the point to turn around.
I can't move right now. I don't want to hold that, mate.
Show the camera. What is it? Oh, shit me.
Ow.
Wait, can we,
I hope you guys are okay with standing over there for a bit. 'Cause I can't really move. I can't really move at the moment.
Go into that rock there.
Oh, you move a
Are you
bit
fucking kidding me?
forwards. Oh, here. Onto this concrete thing.
Oh, shit, man.
Onto the concrete, quick, so people can get past because they're going to be hurting so bad. Okay. Look at them doing the splits.
you told me to?
Oh, God, Chris.
Oh, fuck this. I'm putting my phone in my... Oh, my God.
They're fucking soaked anyway. Fuck this.
Fuck this.
Guys, I think...
What the fuck is that, bro? Is that a bike tire?
Yeah. I don't know if we're making it any further than this. Wait, it gets shallower, doesn't it? Okay, it's getting shallow. We might have a chance.
Wait, hold the phone. At least you have light.
Oi, do you want your phone back, Chris? Oi, I'm using your head as balance, right?
Oh, fine.
Can't look at what I'm standing on.
I will take you with me. Use your pedal a bit.
You look, oi, look at how I'm fucking standing on that rock, mate.
Stood in it ages ago, brother.
Oi, it's a fucking Leviathan, mate.
I'm pushing on your bike to stop.
There you go, buddy.
Thank you.
Alright,
so dogs are soaked. Dogs are almost soaked.
I'm dry, mate.
Oh, he's dry. He's raw dogging that shit.
I'm about to not be dry.
Oh, he's shaking.
Look at that. If I get water in that...
Caleb, you're gonna fall over if you do that.
Yeah, but
Hold up. How deep is it there?
Nah, that one was.
Is it too expensive? I didn't do that before I came in here.
There's not any other one.
Wait, push it.
I didn't think about doing that work.
Oh, go.
That's the worst that can
Hold
happen.
up. Alright, move your bike to the right and I'll switch to that little platform there.
Holy fucking shit, I wish this
Look what I'm standing on. Like,
Dude, move over to the right if you can.
see, that was what I was trying, but is it actually water?
Just scoot your bike over just so I can stand where your front tire is. Alright, stay right there. I'm just listening. Caleb, move your thing to the right.
Wait, stand on my pig. Stand on my pig.
I'm not standing your
Wait, I'm
pigs.
holding it tight.
No, move your whole bike. Like the front end. Oh, fucking hell.
I'm stressing.
Fucking hell. You're bogged, mate. Hold on.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Maybe I am.
There you go. Now you can actually...
Chris, you might give me some assistance. Chris, I'm still bogged.
Well, fucking help yourself, mate. You obviously get your shoes wet at some point.
Yeah, that's the problem. I'm not trying to get my shoes wet.
Oh, well, now you're in. Out the way. Out the way. There is no way to move. Get your ass over there, motherfucker. Just get your feet wet.
Coming through there, bro.
You want a hand?
Pull the front end.
Lift. Oh, you want me to lift? She said that. Just stand, bro. I'm wet. Just do it.
Can I get some light? My shoes are wet. I don't care.
You should have stopped caring a while ago, mate.
That doesn't get more shallow. What?
It doesn't. That's what I was trying to say, and you guys said,
What the shit is that cum water, brother?
Yeah, that's the reason I'm not
it smells like shit down here. We're gonna get towed from this.
And my foot's in the water. Yeah, fuck.
Yes, it gets a bit shallower.
Your shoes are gonna get wet.
No, like I'm standing right now. Look at me. Oh, you fucking scared the hot down here. Jeff, I told you not to come here. Oh, what? Jeff. Is that what you come with? Alright, now I just carry my bike. Honestly.
Yeah, you're stuck down.
Look! Yabbies. Yabby. Careful of the wildlife. Look! Little baby.
Who said we should do this before summer?
I don't want your shoes, bro.
Why don't you take your shoes off? No, I'm not taking my pants off. Take shoes.
No, not
How
quite.
much further can we make it?
Wait, the water's getting higher and the ground's getting higher, so...
Actually, the ground's getting softer up ahead. I would like,
What's moving on my foot? Oh, someone's standing on... Yeah,
Wait, do you want to turn around or...
yeah, I do, but everybody seems to want to go.
it's a lot gassy up there.
Pardon?
It's really gassy up there.
We have to get some bikes again?
What, can we walk it?
We can walk it, but your feet definitely going to stay wet.
Alright, doesn't matter. I reckon I'm leaving my bike here and we're walking.
I'll leave mine here then.
Oh man, you got your shoes on? Oh, that's lovely.
Can nobody tell us? Eat shit!
He's sucking
Ruin
it.
my J's, man.
You know you're standing where yabbies are.
Please, nobody fucking on
I stood worse.
Okay.
He's gonna get hepatitis C, B, and D.
I think we all are. And then it'll be fine if we have a great neck
Then we
party.
can screw each other. What? Oh, shit, man.
So like the gloves are there?
Oh, you found those. There's a spider, dude. There's a fucking... Get that off of you.
What is it?
There we
Is
go.
that a red bag?
Ah, it's black.
They look like a redback's ass though.
With that, or like,
We don't like those.
Phil, if we don't like those, why are you here?
Why is he here?
What? Why am I? Where's?
Why am I'm here because I can.
Look at this nigga.
Oh, you thought that one. I'm Chris. We don't want to get demonetized on the first video, do we?
Yes, we don't.
The chance of being needled out.
Jet, are you okay?
I'm getting so hot, bro.
Yeah, we all are. Well, I am. Anyway.
Jet, I guess I'll have to leave my back cell.
Caleb doing? Is he just turning around?
I think so. Caleb, leave bike. Yeah, what's with his bike? He's just leaving it. Holy shit, it smells like shit in here. Yeah,
Shit!
I think that went over. If we stand here too long, it's fine. I can make a desk in here.
I reckon.
Dyson, don't work my shoes up. My shoes are so wet. Is it a bit more heads than yellow? What do we do now, brother? What are we doing? We're struggling. What are we doing now, brother?
I don't know.
Phil, what are we doing? You're asking me. Because you want to go further ahead? I already went further ahead. I want to go further ahead. I mean, I'm at this point, I might as well just keep going.
What's going on, Jet?
Someone else go ahead, Jet. I don't want to go ahead.
What?
I don't want to go ahead, Caleb. You go ahead to it.
Philip's our tour guide. And Caleb!
Handle with no.
Oh, wait. I'm standing as shit.
What did you find?
Handle with care.
Guys, when do we have to swim?
Is that? Oh my gosh!
Guys, when are we swimming?
That's the ghost that lives in here! Guys! It's the ghost! Ah! Ah! Ah!
Oh, it's like sea sand.
That's what Dr. Phil was saying. Ah! Oh, shit! If you go, you go. If you go, you go, alright? You sink.
Oh shit, I'm in fucking socks. Oh, that's
Dogs! They're fucking dogs! The fucking ghost!
Bring your dogs out.
Put him to rest. Put him to rest. Oh shit, sorry, Joe. I had to put the ghost to rest.
It goes ankle deep up ahead.
Go check my head again.
I'm bending so fucking hard down.
Dude, check my head.
Keep going. Well, Chris, you want to go ahead and get the recording of that?
Yep.
Yeah, same. Look at that, bro.
We've come this far.
What do you think I never wear shorts? Is that part of a toilet?
We'll be back here in the summer.
What do you think I never wear shorts?
Come on, Mahoney, move it! We are getting out of here. Dogs are soaked. Ghosts have been found. Jabbies as well. All sorts of shit.
So deep.
Ah!
Oh my god, look at my shoe.
Dude, I went like ankle deep in that shit. Go.
But you got boots on, bro. Oh my god, that's so bad.
Go.
That is so bad. I've got so much blood in my shoes. Fuck this shit. Yeah, fuck this. Give me my fucking bike.
He's gonna kill all the yabbies whilst we're doing this. Come on.
Can we get some speed so I can...
Where's my tri-cat? Did somebody take it?
Yeah, sorry, let me overtake it.
Dogs. You wanna go first? Alright. Just walk in it.
I'll face to the light at least.
In the sewers we are. Escaping we are. Oh, very bright color. And colored candy. They're coming at it. Flying they are. Terminal cancer it has. No hair, it's funny. What am I doing? Twice at one day. 9/11 inside job. The second tower.
Who wants to ride back?
What's going on here?
Who wants to hop on the back?
On the back.
Who wants to hop on the back?
Shannon.
I look like a natural in this. I will. Brother, I look like a natural.
I like that.
Yes. I think the raw dogger deserves to get a little bit of a break. He's been raw dogging this whole experience.
Joey, get on the back.
Unprotected sex he had.
He took off his shoes.
That's something I should have never heard you.
Get on the back, Joey.
That's gonna fucking hurt. That's gonna hurt.
Keep going, Joey.
Alright.
You can feel what's orange.
What?
Huh? I can't understand what you're saying when you're too far behind.
Coming into our world.
Catching you.
He's going after them.
Oh, you reckon I can drive the side of the tunnel?
Nice one.
Hold on, hey Chris, who knew you'd be walking back?
Not me. I could have sworn I saw something.
There's puddles of water and mud in my shoe.
There is probably mine.
Hey, Joey. Joey. That was actually quite smooth ride. I think it's actually quite smooth.
Yeah.
Actually traversed like tunnel pretty well.
Yeah, that's what I bought.
On 2 wheels. That was fun. Brothers, I will be your new cameraman. Let's get. What a whole bag. He has my jumper.
He goes, I want to home.
He did not go home.
Show us the text.
Who's got Ethan?
Jet, do you know where Ethan lives?
Yeah, I do.
We can walk up to his house.
I do.
Let's walk up to his
Not
house.
that way. Let's just walk that way.
Let's walk to his house.
Charlotte's smiling so much, and I wonder why.
Wait, hang on.
I already know.
At least he's not fucking Ronald McDonald, mate.
What happened to Ethan? Yeah, no.
My shoes are too expensive for this.
He's doing an epic surprise. I mean, he's not. Is he gonna suck us? He's gonna suck you off.
You guys are wondering, I was
Falling with style, alright.
I thought you meant he was actually. Wait, no, get the bikes out of the way.
No, don't move the bikes. That's not hiding in the bush. If you,
That's
he
so
can
weird.
on the
Why did he
pedal,
just leave as soon as he went to the toilet?
Yeah, please fall.
Say goodbye already.
Then you fell back because I got too much again. Like I smacked
He left you off and you got to. So apparently Ethan tipped the trolley and Charlotte hit her head and
No,
then Ethan
you
went
probably
home.
down there.
Ethan's dead. Oh well.
Fuck off with your
No,
flash.
you pulled it back up and then I went to
Let's take a video. You say you fell over?
Left without saying goodbye.
550.
So we're down there for about an hour or something.
That's gonna be my new profile picture. Just saying. New profile picture right there.
Where?
Right here.
Is it?
I think it's in the bush.
He's not in the. What bush would he fucking be in?
That one up there.
Go up there and find him.
I'm climbing it.
Fuck you, you little fucking.
What?
I see him, bro. You see Taylor's legs?
Yeah, you can see his leg.
Some glowing leg. We thought you just left without saying goodbye. Like, what the fuck is he doing?
Oh, that was amazing.
We thought you felt bad for fucking hurting Charlotte.
It was great. Love life. Wait, no, can you just slide it on there?
Move that piece of bush out the way.
He's going. He's getting that shit, brother.
Caleb, full stabilize. Use the bush to hold yourself first.
Oh, you try, it's fun.
Look at him go.
No. Wait, use the fucking thing as like a snowboard. Or a boogie board. Use it. You ready?
Phillip's battered.
No, yeah, you stop about there.
Yeah,
You can't go any further.
have a running start.
How's my feet doing?
Under my butt cheeks.
Caleb, use the sign as the surfboard.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Use the sign.
Yeah. It's over there.
Wait, there. Get the swine.
We're getting paid for this, right?
Pay.
That's where Tyson was. They need to bend the front up so it's like a.
You want that?
Yeah, bend it. Hold the front up with your fingers. You've got gloves on, mate. You'll be alright.
Is the sign
Keep the gloves on because you're gonna hurt your knuckles with it. Hold the front of the sign
Wait,
up.
both at the same time. Stand up. Push it.
Keep it away.
Hola. They're probably walking in the creek.
Joey, mate. It'll scare them off. If they hear a man moaning, you'll scare them. Trust. Works all the time.
I don't think it's working.
Works all the time, trust me.
How do you know
Yeah. Because I scare all the
There's some
women.
tonight. There's some tonight.
Yeah, I know.
Bro, bitch, we ain't going to sleep.
He's going.
I don't sleep anyway.
Why don't you just grab the sign, chuck it there, and just bend it over the arm, Chris?
I think that's gonna help.
And then wake up in the morning.
Every night.
Stand on it and so bend it down.
You go to bed at 12.
No, I wake
How
up.
goes like 4 a.m. sitting there whacking his doodle for like 4 hours.
He knows it's true. He's got a routine.
He does.
Caleb, his wank routine.
Wait, Chris.
Caleb, it's bent like your sexuality.
Can we please leave this place and never come back? Kickflip. Why are you bending it that way?
No way. What the fuck just happened?
Hey, you bent it sort of. What are you trying to bend?
Your mom?
That would be pretty fucking hard, man.
Do it.
No, I was trying to bend you over.
Do it up there a bit more.
And there goes his shins.
Maybe just leave it. Someone's gonna die.
Yeah. Not gonna be me.
Oh, fuck. I didn't even like scratch, you just fucking hurt.
My head hurts.
Then don't have a head. So simple.
Even I can't believe you gave her another concussion.
Probably.
So what actually happened? There's no way you could have fallen over. The tunnel's too tight.
What?
How did you actually tip her? Wait, you fell at the entrance.
No, because no, I was pushing it, but then because it's so like skinny, it just kept on.
You should have gone sideways.
I recorded it.
There's a video of you cracking.
Yeah.
And then you just stop there and you come in.
What is this blood clot doing?
On your ass?
What are you doing?
Yeah, why did you
I tried to fucking 180 that shit, it didn't work.
What are we doing now?
Right, now I got fucking shit in my hands, bro. You want some?
I'm fucking good, mate. I'm fucking good.
Your turn. 180. Get redemption for me.
There's no such thing as regrets. Only disappointments. And if you look over there, there's 2.
And here.
Oh, fuck. We'll use the trolley as a platform.
Fuck off, mate. Fuck off.
We'll use the trolley as a platform to climb up. Wait, Charlotte, hop out and push the trolley up to there.
Hey, Karpany.
What the fuck are you doing?
Drifting, bro.
How
Alright.
did I get this? Like, what the fuck kind of stick is that?
Twingly
It
stick.
like wraps around my whole fucking
It's a wraparound stick, bro. Don't you know about them?
I'll give you a wrap around.
What the fuck, bro?
You know, I wrap around you.
No.
It's not long enough.
Alright, down it. Someone's gotta record me though. How bad is it?
4 hands that just went to the phone. I did one hand actually.
No, you're going fucking right. You're gonna die.
Wait, let me make sure I'm.
Phillip, hurry up so I can come down.
right there?
If I had brakes, then I would have. Chris, you would die if you do that.
Wait, which is the dumbest place for me to ride down?
I know, I think Jack's got it.
Or the dirt on the far end. I'm gonna ride down some fucking stupid shit.
Did you just moan, Tyson? Let's go, brother.
Oh, you made it.
Be careful, Chris. You don't have a helmet.
Chris!
Oh no.
Fuck me, he made it.
Brother! I thought his front wheel was going to do it. He's going to do it properly.
Now what are you gonna do, mate?
Look at this, brother.
Brother, tell us your experience about that trip.
That's how you do it. That's how you do it, man.
That's how you do it?
3 wheels only.
3 wheels. Damn, that's W Riz right there.
Thank you, brother.
You're gonna be able to get your trike off it.
Yeah.
What's he doing? Oh, he's walking around.
What a fucking pussy.
He's walking around.
Blood, I feel sent out on this fucking thing.
Alright, he's hopping on the track with me.
I'm going through the tunnel.
Which way are we going?
We're going to the tunnel. We're
Under
going
the
to
tunnel.
Joey, you're videoing now. This is your new video. Come on, brother, let's go. Oh, Joey, get on.
Get on? Oh, God.
Alright, hold up. Stop entering things. What?
Alright. Pete. I think maybe. Oh, wait, for you.
Wait, hold these.
Oh, shit, that's wet. Ugh.
I know. That's what she said.
That was so obvious.
Fucking can't believe you guys thought I actually just like full dipped.
Hey man, it's going with the crowd. Phil! Oh.
Look at Chris go, oh no, look how unstable his wheels are.
I mean, it's surprisingly smooth though, I mean. When I was on it with Shannon, I mean, it was actually quite pleasant. Until you went to 2 wheels, that was not pleasant. I went to go home and Pat's like, what the fuck happened to you?
Where have you been?
Now, Joey, when we get to your OTR, I want you to drop down and give me 20
Blowjobs.
After that fucking split shit, I'm not.
Please?
Your legs are blue.
Please? I'll ask you nicely.
Yeah, I'll even give you some blowjobs too. But that's thanks. What?
That is on camera too, Shannon. That's on camera.
That's the point, brother.
Just make clear, that makes him gay, right?
He already is gone.
Have you seen yourself, mate? You take on my balls every day.
Are you going to just keep recording till we're in the nose, or are you going to start recording when we're in there again?
Maybe, yeah.
How's it thinking?
Alright, this is it. Say bye-bye.
Goodbye, camera.
Say bye-bye, everybody.
Bye.
Everybody say bye-bye.
Yeah? Dude, Phil, look at this. She's going. This is bumpy. Wait, can you hold my phone? Just wait. You okay?
Fuck you. I definitely can't see a fucking reflector. Or, what is going on? I can barely see you. You're like, you're on that jacket again. You're like invisible to me right now. You can see your fucking forehead's reflecting.
That is so creepy, it's like a train coming at me.
Who's that, bro? I can't even fucking see.
Wait, Sean talks on you? Yeah, so we can see you in the video? Sean, no, like, towards you. There you go, gang. Reflect it up a bit. There's a creepy lady above you. Or is that a dude? I can't really tell. On the whipple of Tegan. Each pedal feels like it's pulling the bike towards my foot. It's swag. Oh look, each pedal turns the whole fucking... Yeah. At least you don't need hands. Is this not swag? What's up, ladies? Fuck you.
You didn't throw it. Oh god.
Oh, it didn't even work, Shannon.
No, they're not tubeless.
Damn, that's flatter than me right now.
Dude, I was recording.
Let's just get out of the speak box, man.
There's a car behind you guys.
What?
That's fine. Let it get done.
What?
Use the sign as the surfboard.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Use the sign.
Give it here. It's over there.
Wait, there. Get in the slime.
Alright, are you ready? What the fuck are we doing?
I think we are.
Who's going in first?